I'm still expecting higher prices to come on Bitcoin, hence why I'm going to long today Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm gonna give you guys the best setups for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's get right into this short, quick, and nice and simple video. As you can see, I'm trying to post daily on this channel, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we are growing an English channel. After growing this Arabic channel, let's grow this English channel. So firstly, let's start with Bitcoin. I've made it very clear, guys, that I'm super bullish on Bitcoin, especially or since we've broken out of $113,000. I've been waiting for a $120,000 Bitcoin. The target is still $120,000 on Bitcoin, hence why I'm still looking for longs on Bitcoin. I'm also gonna talk about a small long on Ethereum. I think the New York sessions just opened right now as the time I post this video, so let's get right and talk about the next long setups. I've also mentioned these in the last video, however we haven't hit them yet, so I think it's very important for me to reiterate and also make sure that everybody notices these setups. So firstly, as you can see, Bitcoin is still super bullish. I'm still waiting for higher prices. If we use the volume profile tool, as you can see, since we've broken out of $113,000 to the current price action, we can clearly see that most of the volume is at around $115.8 thousand, as you can see, and we also got the Fibonacci golden pocket. If taken, as you can see, from this low to the current high we've got on Bitcoin, we can clearly see a confluence of the golden pocket along with the point of control of this volume profile. So technically this is the long I might be taking as quickly as I post this video. As you can see, if we get a nice positive reaction, this could be a long to be taken on Bitcoin for and actually holding it till we hit $120,000. As you can see, this is my next long. However, if Bitcoin doesn't hold this line and say we lose 115.8, then I might still be looking for the same exact setups I've mentioned in I think my last couple of videos. As you can see, basically the idea of us breaking the weekly low on Monday and also hitting 113.9 to 113.1, I think this actually could play us nicely. As you can see, say Bitcoin right now doesn't hold this line, the first idea of a long fails, then we can actually wait for a fake out of the lows and then look for a long. Either way, I'm still bullish. How long and however Bitcoin drops, I might be longing as you can see as soon as possible. However, this is the closest one. I'm trying to publish this video before actually hitting this support. Also, similarly on Ethereum, I've got the same kind of idea. As you can see, we've got the daily on the NPOC and the Fibonacci golden pocket, and as you can see, we've also got similarly the volume profile pull showing us an important line of volume here. So technically I'm gonna be waiting for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin hits 150.8 along with Ethereum hitting 4,500 with a positive reaction, this could be taken as a long on Ethereum and a long on Bitcoin. However, as I've said, losing this line could actually mean us dropping to 114 or below the weekly line for a next long trade on Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, guys.